Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is Female Education. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding the text. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have taught you how to locate specific information from text. I hope you remember. And we are going to extend the practice to locate specific information to answer short questions, copy and take dictation of words studied in class. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Fatir, verse 28. So only those of his servants who have knowledge of these realities with a vision and outlook fear him. Surely Allah is Almighty, most forgiving. Yes, my dear students, what this beautiful verse is telling us, that we should have a vision. Okay? So whenever there is something being told to us, we should understand it and we should comprehend it with a vision that what it can be and how to relate it with your practical life. So beta, we should not be a blind follower. Basically, this verse is telling us that only those of Allah's servant who have knowledge, they fear him and they have a connection. Like they are not blind follower. They understand the things and then they find out, this is something which I should do. This is the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or just people are saying it. Okay, so this is the theme of our today's lesson as well. We should learn many things, and the basic thing is we should not be blind follower. Whatever someone is saying, we should not follow it. Okay, so let's start our lecture. First, you tell me, how many females are educated in your family, and are your sisters and cousins getting education? So pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered and you could guess that we are going to talk about female education today. So the first paragraph, I'm going to start reading from the very first line. Listen carefully, and after me, you will read it, okay? Education is very important for every child, whether it is a boy or a girl. Nowadays, female education is considered a prerequisite. And what does prerequisite mean? Things required as prior condition. Means it's something which is required in our society. Why? For the progress of a nation. No country can make progress without female education. Boys and girls are equal members. This is important, beta. They are equal of a society. Not only boys but also girls should get education to build a healthy community. A mother is the first teacher of her child. It is necessary to educate the mother so that her child may grow as an active individual in the society. If we educate one woman, we educate the whole family. By educating a boy, we educate one person. As Napoleon said, "Give me an educated mother, I shall give you an educated nation." Right? So I'm pausing my reading over here. It's your turn now. First, tell the answer to your teacher. Who is the first teacher of the child? Pause the video, answer this question, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, yes, it's a mother who is the first teacher of child. So, mothers should be educated. This is what we just learned. Now, it's activity time. And what the activity is? You will read the text again. The text which I just read, you will read it on your own and focus on the spellings of difficult words. Now, when you are done with reading, teacher will take dictation of difficult words, right? First, you'll complete reading and then you will take dictation. Pause the video, complete these two activities and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time to answer these questions. So the text which we have read, these questions are from that text. And as usual, first you will answer these questions orally, then you will write these answers in your notebook. Pause the video, complete this exercise, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. So it's time for your homework. And you are going to use these words which are given in your book. You will use them in your own sentences. And once again, if you find any word difficult, you can consult a dictionary. So here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what we are going to do, this is a paragraph. You will read it and then you will answer these questions. Okay, so in this way, what we have learned, we learned to take dictation of words studied in class, and we also learned to locate specific information to answer short questions. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to locate specific information to answer short questions, copy and take dictation of words studied in class. Are we done with it? Yes. So tomorrow we'll complete reading and comprehension of this exercise. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.